Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss herpes simplex Chinese pathology and diagnosis. In Chinese pathology and diagnosis, herpes simplex, from the Chinese point of view, herpes simplex is nearly always characterized by damp heat because vesicles, by definition, indicate dampness. However, different types may be distinguished according to the manifestations and location of the lesions. Lesions occurring in the upper part of the body, examples lips and mouth, are due to a combination of damp heat and wind heat. Lesions that occur regularly and repeatedly around the mouth and on the lips may be due to damp heat in the stomach and spleen, whereas genital lesions are due to damp heat mostly in the liver channel. In the elderly, recurrent herpes simplex infections often occur against a background of yin deficiency and empty heat, so that there is an underlying empty heat that predisposes the person to recurrent infection and damp heat in the acute stages. If the eruptions become pustular or papular and are very painful, they indicate the presence both of toxic heat and of damp heat. For damp heat in the skin, red papular or vesicle skin eruptions around the mouth or nostrils, erythema, itching, pain, sticky yellow tongue coating, and a slippery rapid pulse. For damp heat in the skin with spleen-Qi deficiency, chronic red, papular, or vesicle skin eruptions around the mouth or nostrils that come and go and are aggravated by overexertion, erythema, slight itching, pale tongue with sticky yellow coating, and a soggy rapid pulse. For damp heat with toxic heat in the skin, dark red, papular, or pustular skin eruptions around the mouth or nostrils, itching pain, feeling of heat, thirst, mental restlessness, red tongue with red points and a sticky yellow coating, and overall sleepy rapid pulse. For invasion of toxic heat, acute red papular eruptions around the mouth or eyes in newborn babies and infants crying at night. For damp heat with invasion of wind heat, acute red papular eruptions in the top part of the body, especially the face, with intense itching, aversion to cold, fever, headache, eye pain, red tongue on the sides and or front, floating slippery rapid pulse. For damp heat in the liver channel, the papular or pustular herpes eruptions in the genital area, itching, feeling of heaviness, malaise, fever, sticky taste, tongue red on the sides with sticky yellow coating, and a slippery, wiry, rapid pulse. For yin deficiency with empty heat and damp heat, chronic recurring red, pale red, lingering papular eruptions, exudate, puffy skin, night sweating, feeling of heat in the evening, dry mouth, desire to drink in small sips, five palm heat, red tongue without coating, and a floating, empty, and rapid pulse. In Chinese pathology of herpes simplex, damp heat with wind heat lesions in the upper body, damp heat in stomach and spleen lesions around the mouth, damp heat in liver channel genital lesions, damp heat with yin deficiency and empty heat, recurrent infections in the elderly, and damp heat with toxic heat, painful papular or pustular eruptions. Thank you for your attention.